I will continue line-wise explanation of the chapter Thief's story. But now I had it all. Hari Singh was thinking that if he had not stolen the money of Anil, then in the morning he would have got 3 or 2 rupees to watch cinema. But now he had stolen whole bundle of note. I could cook his meals, run to bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. By sitting under the shelter of the clock tower, he was thinking that if he had not stolen the Anil's money, then he could not cook his meal, and he would run to the bazaar, and Anil would also teach him to write the whole sentences, because he had promised Hari Singh that from next day he will teach him to write whole sentences. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of theft. Now Hari Singh was thinking coldly towards the importance of the education, and due to the excitement of the theft, he had forgotten the importance of education, because Anil had already promised him that from next day he would teach him how to write whole sentences. But the excitement of the theft made him blind. That's why, due to the greed of money, he had stolen Anil's money, ignoring the importance and value of education. Whole sentences, I knew, could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. Now Hari Singh, sitting under the shelter of the clock tower, he was thinking about the importance of education. He thought that if he knew how to write the whole sentences, then he will be a educated person, and one day with the help of education he could earn hundreds rupees. It was simple matter to steal. Hari Singh was thinking that it was very easy to steal, but it was very difficult to get education, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. He was thinking that very simply he could steal anyone, but anytime by misfortune he may be caught red-handed also. So there was risk in the profession of robbing or stealing the people. But to be really big man, a clever or respected man. Now he was thinking, if he will be educated, he will know how to write the whole sentences, then one day he will be in the society as a clever man, as a respected man, and as a gentleman. He will get respect in the society, and the people will respect him, because they will think that Hari Singh was not a thief, but he was an educated person. And thus he was thinking about the importance of education. He was thinking about the consequences of the education. I should go back to Anil. At last, thinking about the importance of education, Hari Singh decided in his mind that he will go back to Anil's house. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. Seeing the importance of education, he had a great curiosity to read and write. So, the value of education, love for his education, that prevented him to leave the city, that compelled him to go back to the Anil's home and to return the money. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. When he had decided that he will go back to the Anil's room, so he started running very fast towards the room of the Anil, very nervously. For it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Now Hari Singh was thinking that if he will be able to put the money without awakening the Anil Singh, then he will not be detected that he had stolen the money. So it was very difficult for him to return the money without being detected, without being caught.